Basically, when you buy a company stock, you become a part owner of that company. If the stock is large enough, as little as 1% for a large cap company, you will automatically be invited to attend the board meeting of that company, where you're going to play a huge role in making a decision for that company. But owning up to 1% of a company like Apple will cost you a fortune. See what I mean? Apple's market cap at the point of making this video is $2.18 trillion. To own 1% of Apple, you will have to theoretically spend $21.8 billion. But this video is on how to trade stocks with crypto. But why crypto? Because it removes the barrier to entry. To buy stocks traditionally, you would have to go through a broker who posts your order to an exchange, wait to receive confirmation that it has gone through, and then relays it back to you, with all the paperwork involved. But in recent times, there are apps that let you trade directly without a broker. Some let you use crypto, which is good because it makes it global, that anyone, anywhere in the world can use the app without, country and fiat barriers. One of them is Structure, which I'll be using to show you how to trade stocks in this video. I have done a dedicated video on Structure and how to fund it, the account, the certification, the registration, and all that. You can check out that video. I'll leave the link in the description. So, how do you trade the stock market with crypto on your phone? We are going to need two apps here. One is TapTrader. We'll use this to look at charts. And two is a Structure app. We'll use this to actually place our trade. I'll leave all the links in the description for you to download this app. So let's get to it. So the first thing we'll do is to look at TapTrader. If you open the TapTrader, this is the home page, right? And these are the pairs or markets that are brought forward. Now, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pumping back. This is good. It went to as low as 15,900. God have mercy. So it's going back up, which is good. But when I'm looking at Bitcoin, we're looking at the stock market. So I have Tesla here, APPL, which is Apple, Microsoft, Amazon. Now, to add more stock market here, you just have to click on this plus sign at the top right corner. Let's say I want to add ExxonMobil, right? So it's Zone. I can click on it. Yeah, it's checked now. When I go back to the home page, I can see it now, Zone. Now, let's look at how to do some analysis on this. Let's say I click on Zone, for example. At the bottom menu, you can see this is the time frame, well, 1 day time frame. You can see it here. You can see this ExxonMobil market is actually trending up until it dropped drastically. The way I do my analysis, I don't just look at charts. I actually also use indicators. So if you look at the this at the menu, you see day, it's something that looks like a ruler, pencil, and the next one is like charts. We want to add indicators, right? So I have volume. I want to add volume. Click on it. I want to add relative strength index and MACD, right? The moving average, convergence, divergence. If I want to add more, just click on this plus here to add more. But I've exceeded my maximum because I'm using the free version of TapTrader, which is enough. If I don't want to use volume, for example, I can delete it from here, then add another indicator. So from here, I've added the lower one is my MACD. This one is my RSI. See the way RSI works? So you can see the blue area. When it's below the blue area, it means that it is oversold, which means it's an alert for me to buy. When it's above the blue area, that is, it's above 70, it means that it's overbought, which means I have it, I should sell. So this is a simple indicator that does that. While the MACD simply is not showing the way I want to show it here, when the blue line crosses the red line below, it means that I should sell. When it crosses the above, going up, it means that I should buy. These are just the simple readings you can take from here. If I want to go ahead and enter this market, let me go to, this is the daily time frame. I can go to the 1 hour time frame. See, it has actually shot up. big time. It was actually building up when I was preparing for this video. I wanted to enter at 86 because I saw the sign. Then it was actually oversold. It was time to buy. So I bought at the 86, and by now I could be selling. But I think I missed out of this market, so I'll leave it. I think all the stock has gone up. It seems as immediately Bitcoin went up, every other thing started going up. If you look at the same RSI, that's Relative Strength Index, you can see again that here, that it's above the blue line, is saying that it's overbought. We can sell, right? If I have this, I can actually go ahead and sell it using my structure app, but I have not bought an AMZ first, right? So maybe I'll wait for the market to correct, and I can enter the market again. But to enter the market, to actually buy and trade on structure, I'll open the structure app here. So these are the different markets. So they've all really gone up. But let's see, this is Tesla. Let's look at Tesla actually to see if we can enter the Tesla market. Tesla, okay, if we're using the 1 hour time frame at this point, it is not a good time to buy. But the 1 day time frame, we can actually look at it to actually say, okay, we can actually enter if it's a 1 day time frame because it's just moving. Maybe if we wait for the MACD to actually start, we confirm that the blue line is going up, we can now enter at this point. Because for 1 day time frame, you are looking at trading over a longer period. If you're looking at 1 hour, you're looking at entering and leaving the market that same day. If you're looking at even shorter time frame, like say 5 minutes, you're looking at maybe entering the market and leaving within a very short time, like within an hour. So I can go straight to say 5 minutes time frame. It's actually giving me not much information here. So if it was like 2 hours ago, I could have entered this market when it was still oversold here and exited when it came down to this point and want to start going up. So again, back to structure. If I was to buy, it's really simple. The market was right for me to buy. All I have to do, I really wish I could buy. I'll have entered this trade because it was set when I was trying to make this video, but when I got ready, the market has actually left me. So let's say I want to buy the Tesla, or let me just say Airbnbs. Let me use anyone for example. Let's click on Airbnb, right? I'll click on trade. So I want to buy Airbnb with USDT. I already have USDT in my account, right? So I can just enter, I'm buying, see if I enter $50. I can enter, if I click on maximum, it means that I'm gonna buy that is $99 worth of Airbnb. I can just click on next and I'll have bought the Airbnb stock. This is simply how you use structure to actually trade. And when you want to sell, it's the same thing. You just change the market. Instead of having Airbnb here, you switch. You click on this to switch. So USDT will be up, Airbnb will be down, and you can now switch. It's simply I just use the structure app to actually buy and sell. So what you do is simply use TapTrader, do your little analysis, then use structure market to actually buy and sell. But the good thing with structure is that you can actually, because most people don't do day trading with the stock market or do day trading with structure. They prefer to actually invest over a longer time. Like, okay, invest, how do I trade over a month period, over a year period, a week's period, like that. So not for the short time. So basically, this is how you trade the stock market on your phone using crypto from anywhere in the world. For more in-depth class, I'll be having a masterclass soon on Forex and stock trading in the coming months. So watch out for that. For links to every other thing, you'll find it in the description. Now, if you want to know how to set up the structure app and some review I did about it and how to fund the account and do every other thing, then watch this next video.